Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to talk about the air pollution. So, what is the air pollution? The air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Example, car emission, chemical from factories, dust, pollen, and mud spot may be suspended as particles. Air pollution have ozone. Ozone is a major part of air pollution in cities. When ozone from air pollution is also called smog. Smog is a danger for us. So, air pollution are poisonous and inhaling them can increase the chance we can get health problem. Example, the air inside buildings can also be polluted and affect our health. Our air pollution occurs when harmful of excessive quantity of substance, including the gases of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, radium particles, and biological molecules are introduced into her atmosphere. So, air pollution can cause disease, allergies, and even can cause a death for human. Air pollution also can cause harm to other living organisms such as animals and food crops. Lastly, air pollution also damage the natural or built environment. Both human activity and natural processes can generate air pollution in modern world because indoor air pollution and poor urban inequality are listed as two of the world's worst toxic pollution. That's all from me.
Next one, I will discuss about the objective for this case study. So the first one is to investigate what is the problem. So the problem that we choose in this case study is air pollution. Example for air pollution that always happen in Malaysia is open burning and the emission of smoke from the factory. So the second one is to study the cause of this problem. So in this case study, we will get to know what causing this problem happen. So the third one, to know whether this problem might be beneficial or harmful to living thing. So we will discuss about this problem in this case study. So the fourth one, to study how to overcome this problem. So there are some way we need to take to overcome this problem. So there are some way we will discuss in briefly to overcome this problem. So the last one is to suggest the improvement that we can make to take that we can make for this problem. So the improvement might be should be take so that we can live in a better life.
Hi, I'm Husni Hidayah binti Muhammad Husairi. I will present about end effects of air pollution. As we know that air pollution has a very negative effect on nature and on human health. First, global warming. Probably global warming is one of the most worrying effects for scientists and environmentalists. Global warming is a direct consequence of the greenhouse effect, which is produced by the high emission of carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere. Most of these emissions are produced by the industry. One of the most immediate and obvious effects of global warming is the increase in temperature around the world. Secondly, air pollution led to climate change, which is another consequence of global warming. When the temperature of the planet increases, there is a disturbance in the usual climate cycles, accelerating the change of this cycle in evident way. Due to climate change, the mass of the poles is melting, and this leading to flooding and the rising of sea levels. Next effect of air pollution is acid rain. Those gases include sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide issued into the atmosphere that come from fossil fuel burning. When those substances accumulate in the atmosphere and react with water, they form dilute solution of nitric and sulfuric acid. And when those concentrations become rain, both the environment and surface surface, it can have harmful effect on plants, aquatic animals, and infrastructure. Fish in the lake will die off, livers of the tree turn brown and fall off. Furthermore, sulfuric dioxide and nitrogen dioxide from industry can cause respiratory and cardiovascular illness to humans, and it also increases the rate of aging of lung, decreases lung function, damage cells in the respiratory system. Then we move to causes of air pollution, which is industrial factories. Factories make useful products, but they also make waste by blowing chemical vapor and smoke out through vents and smokestacks. Manufacturing industry release a large amount of nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon monoxide into the air. These products can be dangerous to our health that can even cause serious illness. Besides, human activity like open burning indeed cause air pollution. It is used to reduce the quantity of waste in which unwanted products, byproducts, and material are incinerated. This situation occurs due to our lazy attitude to go out and get rid of the waste, and lack of proper education regarding environmental degradation and the health hazards that are posed by open burning. Some of the most dangerous chemicals created and released during burning are those from plastics, because releases heavy metal and toxic chemicals such as dioxin that can affect human health.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alisa Fatih binti Ramli, and I'm going to tell about how to prevent air pollution. So, air pollution is a big problem. If we're turning a blind eye about this problem, it will risk our health and also the health of our planet. So there are many alternative ways that we can use to prevent air pollution. So first, reduce the uses of automobile. The making of gasoline requires the burning coal and oil, which will increase the sulfur dioxide in our environment. So it is harmful for our environment. So another way to reduce the uses of automobile is one, by ride the public transport, and second, use alternative fuels. So alternative fuels are clearer than gasoline gas, so it is more safe for the environment. Second, plant more plants. Plants are able to filter the dangerous chemicals and compounds from the air. For example, plants like English ivy and peace lily are instrumental in removing the carbon monoxide from the air. So how plants removing the carbon monoxide? First, they absorbing the toxin from the air using their little pores in their leaf, and they digesting it using their stems and roots. Lastly, use filter chimneys. As we know, the gas from factories and other burning house or firehouse are very dangerous for our environment. So the uses of filter chimneys are very good because it can help reduce the air pollution to the environment.
Hi, my name is Nur Alia Balkis binti Roslan. Today I am going to explain the conclusion air pollution. So in conclusion, we can say that now is like the right time for us to protect air pollution. The fresh air is like the first certificate of our survival on this planet, which is Earth. So the life would have been like simply unbearable when the polluted air conquer our mother, which is Earth. So as we know that air pollution is a major environment-related health threat to all the people, especially the children, and also a risk factor for both acute and chronic disease. So it would give a bad side effect for everybody. So we also know that air pollution comes from many sources like vehicles, fuels, and also many things. So all the people must be responsible to protect the air pollution. So only humans can reduce the air pollution. So if we do the small effort, to reduce the air pollution. So such as like reduce the number of vehicles on road with couples and share rides, also use the renewable energy, so it would give the environment definitely become less polluted by air. So besides that, the improvement is also required in reducing acid deposition and also photochemical smoke. Although people do not have enough resources to repair the damage caused by the air pollution, the prevention will gradually show the improvement. So in other words, it is so important to create awareness in the public society about the air pollution. So we have to stop the air pollution to create a better living space for human and also nature. So let's make a different to get rid of our bad habit and also save our earth. Thank you.